Hello and welcome to this video. I just wish to say something to you. I know you may be getting through difficult times or easy times, and if you are an honest person, there is only one way, and that way is to be better. Because for honest people, this world can get really challenging. The consciousness that you have is doesn't allow you to do anything wrong, and the people around you can take advantage of it. But you have to appear stronger on the other side. You have to keep on improving. You have to do better. You have to be better. You have to focus on the things that matter to you. And you should never forget that the goodness that lies in your heart is, in fact, the strength that carries this world together. So, in these times of difficulty, when everyone is out to kill the other person for money, I wish to seek some happiness for you, and that's why I am here with another video. So today we will be discussing about Mars. Mars has been the subject matter of many studies. We have always tried to find water on Mars. It has been found that the south pole of Mars has dry ice. You may ask, what is dry ice? Dry ice is nothing but the frozen carbon dioxide. On the north pole, there could be some water and carbon dioxide available, and there could also be underground water on Mars. So all these studies that have been conducted for the Mars have done it with one very important aim, which is to find water. This is what we know about it. Now, can I question you? Which is the red planet? Mars was named after the Roman god of war. So the Roman god of war. Yes? Remember, in the previous video we had discussed the Roman goddess was named Venus. Now this one, Mars, has been named on the name of the Roman god of Mars, of war, because of its blood red color. The planet looks rusty red because its surface is covered with iron-rich soil and rock. There are no seas on Mars and it is very cold. So what do we have there? We have iron-rich soil, and that is why soil and rock, that is why it is so red, because it has iron. And there is no sea on Mars. It's very cold. That's why we see South Pole is frozen with dry ice. Another question, is it true there is life on Mars? Well, no. Or at least there is no sure sign of any. But long ago, Mars had flowing rivers of water. So there could have been life once, and there may be fossils buried underground. So one theory suggests that there could have been life because we see that we have found evidence that Mars had flowing rivers of water, so there could have been life once. The other question that I have for you is, what are the Mars moons like? So Mars two mini moons, that is Deimos and Phobos, are not round like the moon. They look more like baked potatoes. They might have been asteroids that Mars captured with its gravity. So it could have been that Deimos were just asteroids floating in the space, and the Mars gravity attracted them and pushed them into its own orbit. But they are not round shaped like Mars, like the moon of the Earth. They are in fact potato shaped. The other thing that I can tell you about Mars is that there's a record breaking volcano on Mars. We have also learned that it is very cold. At the same time, there is a record breaking volcano. Olympus Mons, the name is Olympus Mons, is about 600 kilometers across and towers over 25 kilometer high. So it's 6 kilometers across and it's about 25 kilometers high. So it's really, really big. And long ago, it spurted out runny rivers of black lava. So we see black lava also there. Yes. So we have the red soil and the rock, which is very iron rich. We don't have seas there. It's very cold. The moons are potato shaped. The names are Deimos and Phobos. And the volcano, which is a record holder, is Olympus Mons, which is 600 kilometers wide, 25 kilometers high, and it had once spurted out runny rivers of black lava. So this was about Mars. In the next video, we will discuss about the Jupiter. Until then, I hope you are doing well and you are just doing what you can.